everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mezidou, your guide to the best clothes, tips, products, and ideas that help you look and feel your best. And to all my felines, welcome back, ladies. Today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 deep conditioners for natural coily hair. A little bit about my hair type. My hair is thick. I have naturally coily hair, tightly coiled hair. It's kinky curly, and also I sit within the type 4 hair category. Okay, if I had to categorize my hair, I would say I've got some 4A in there, some 4B as well. Girl, sometimes I even think I have 4C. So I just say type 4. That gives you an idea of what type my hair is, okay? And also I have to have a lot of slip because my hair is so kinky that without the slip, nothing works for me really. So I'm always looking for something that's very thick. Since my hair is very thick, I need like that thick custard type of deep conditioner. Also, I'm always looking for something that is like smells good. Like I'm always looking for something that smells really good and that just really melts into my hair. Like it's butter to my hair and it just like glides. It helps the comb to glide through my hair, or when I'm finger detangling, which I don't finger detangle much anymore, but it helps my yeah, it helps my fingers to just glide through my coils. So without further ado, let's get into my favorite deep conditioners. And pause for the camera. If you like what you see and you have every single intention of staying to the end of this video, then hit that notification bell and hit the subscribe button so you will never miss out on another video. And back to your regular scheduled programming. I'm gonna start with the deep conditioners that I use for my coily hair, when I keep it like coily, natural textured hair. If I'm doing a blowout and I do something like this where I'm just gonna rod set it, then I'll also use it for this too. But it's so thick and it has like those lustrous oils in there that I really don't prefer to use the same products that I use as deep conditioners for my like coily hair that I would use if I'm going to straighten my hair. So just keep that in mind. There is a difference, I think. You probably won't get your hair to like be super straight, or you'll see like the difference in the flat ironing and the blow drying. So yeah, I like to keep it separate. So one of my absolute all-time favorite deep conditioners is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This smells so good. It smells like my future husband. No, really, it smells like sexy testosterone. I don't have any other way to put it. It has like a really nice heavy musk. It just smells so masculine and so good. Oh my god. Like okay, so I deep conditioned my hair this weekend. My hair still smells like this. It's all up and through my shower cap. It's just all up and through, okay? It's spiritual. This is what you want in your life. You want the spirit of fragrance? This is what you go after. Don't fight it. So in this product, it has the Manuka Honey, which is an anti-inflammatory, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes the scalp and helps create a moisture barrier. It also has the Mafura Oil, high levels of beneficial oleic acid, helps replenish oils from stripped hair. That's stripped from hair. And then it has the African Rock Fig, which contains antioxidant vitamin C, which helps keep the hair looking vibrant. I'm a product junkie. I test out lots of deep conditioners. I use lots of them. I don't always use the same ones, but this is one that is like repeated in my arsenal. A little bit goes a long way, but I will say if you have thicker hair, you'll probably use a little bit more. It has a really thick texture to it. It's not the thickest, but it is like a thick custard, and it just glides on the hair so effortlessly. It provides a lot of slip, and I usually sit underneath the dryer with this for about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe an hour to 15 minutes at the longest. but I've used this for like 30 minutes before it works. But it feels like such a spa treatment that I love to sit underneath the dryer with this for at least an hour. But a little bit does go a long way. And the very first jar that I had, I rotated it out with other deep conditioners, but I was able to use that for about, let's see, a year, a little over a year. This is my second jar. I think it's my second jar. I feel like I bought 3, but this might be my second jar. The price will be, I'll link the prices down in the description box. This is my #1 deep conditioner of all time. Like, honestly, the smell accounts for most of how amazing that is, and then everything else follows underneath. The second deep conditioner that I have is the B. Lola Handcrafted Deep Conditioner. This is by the Brandy of the Bikakoa Salon and the Bikakoa brand. I absolutely love Brandy. I absolutely love her products. This deep conditioner, I believe, came out sometime in 2018, I want to say, like maybe the earlier part of 2018. And this is so amazing. It softens my hair. It smells good. This has like more of a soft citrus scent to me. One of the main ingredients in here is the aloe leaf juice, and I love this product because it really does melt the hair. Like, it melts into the hair. It helps me to detangle all of those kinks. It has really nice slip to it, and it's just like, it applies really well. This is also very thick. In my opinion, it's thick. So I was able to, this lasted for me for at least 4 months, and I am heavy-handed. I am heavy-handed when it comes to deep conditioner, and this lasted 4 months, and that's because it's really, really thick, and it spreads pretty evenly. It's like a really thick custard. I believe every time I used this, I actually steamed my hair. I steamed my hair, and I think I also just sat underneath a shower cap. But like, my hair really loves this when it's being steamed. And you actually can use this deep conditioner not only to use on your hair like when you're deep conditioning, but you can also use it to style your hair. One of the stylists at the salon used it in my hair to actually create my twists. So yeah, this is like a multifunctional product. It's really, 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 really lovely. I love this deep conditioner with all of my heart. Another one of my favorite deep conditioners is the Restoring Hair Treatment by Wonderful Curl. And this was sent to me like in 2017, I think, or was it 2018? Maybe it was 2017. It could have been 2018. Let me tell you something. I sat on this for a long time, and then I started using it, and I combined it with like some other products, but this was like literally like the base. Oh, it is so amazing. I don't honestly remember the smell. I just remember it's like actually, I'm smelling it now. It has like a very faint smell. It doesn't really smell like anything miraculous or anything like that, but it's a restoring hair treatment, intensive deep hair treatment to repair and strengthen hair. And I used this after I took my hair out of braids, so it was like out of twists. I took my hair out of twists, and then I used this. And so it has olive oil, tamanu oil, and avocado butter. It's also vegan. I'm trying to figure out where exactly the tamanu oil is in here, because I'm looking in the ingredients and I don't see that. Oh, it's all the way like down at the bottom. Okay, well, the olive oil and the avocado butter, where's the olive oil at? Okay, the olive fruit oil. Okay, well, the tomato oil is all the way down at the bottom. I don't really know what to say about that. It doesn't, I guess that doesn't really matter, considering that this like is just, this works wonders in the hair. It really does soften the hair. It's a really good deep conditioner. When I tell you it's in my top 5, it's in my top 5 for a reason, because it actually really does work. It works wonders. Wonder Curl works wonders. Bloop. Now I'm I'm going to move into the deep conditioners that I would use on straight hair. So the first one that I'm going to mention is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. It's the Manuka Honey and Yogurt collection with Mafura and Babel oils. Okay, this smells good too. It has like a very sweet, nice, sweet, soft smell. This is really, really good. When I straighten my hair, I do get really good, great results. Now, the consistency of this is like a thick custard as well, if you can see that. Okay, you can see it. So like it has like a really nice thick custard. Now this is also a protein treatment, so it's not just a deep conditioner, but it's also a protein treatment. So I think it's a really good product if you want to straighten your hair. That way you can skip. Sometimes I have to use protein treatments. Well, most times I use protein treatments when I'm straightening my hair. If not all the time, I use protein treatments. And it's like, I do the protein treatment and then I have to put that on for an hour, sit underneath the dryer, and then I have to do the deep conditioning treatment and sit underneath the dryer for an hour to balance out that moisture protein. But this you get all in one, so you don't necessarily have to do that. And that's what I really, really like about that, is that it's like a multifunctional product. It really softens my hair, really provides that slip, and it really allows the comb to glide through my hair, allows my fingers to finger detangle if that's something I choose to do. It's just a really, really, really good product. And I've had this since last year. Granted, I do switch out my products often, but if you can see this, like, the consistency is amazing. Like, this will probably take me the rest of this year to get through it if I choose to like reach for this often. But I've run out of this and I'm out of this, so these will probably be my go-tos for the rest of the year. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to discuss is the Supreme Revitalizing Mask from Paschal. This I use for straight hair and straight hair only. It is a thick consistency, however, it's a little bit thinner. This has a very rich, potent, heavy musk as well, but it almost smells like a perfume, like your mother's perfume, like her nice, sweet smelling, sophisticated perfume. It smells really, really good. So sophisticated, so mature. This has like a different concept than most deep conditioners because it actually has teas infused into the deep conditioner, and that is supposed to really revitalize the hair. This makes my hair so soft, and I just love how much slip it provides. It allows me to detangle very easily, so I'm able to really use this on my straight hair, and my hair doesn't feel like weighed down or oily, or even when I'm like blow drying it and straightening it, it just doesn't, like, it's not like limp, or it's, yeah, I'm able to really do a lot of things with my hair with this product, with like in regards to like straight hair. And so that's why I really like it. It's like really good for straight hair. And I thank you all so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you feel led to, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss another video like this. Favorite, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.